Hello, welcome back guys to Spotoria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to delete files in Terabox on iPhone. But before it, I have you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well, simply guys, go ahead to your Terabox applications over here and also you have to make sure that your phone is already connected to the internet. And after, if you want to delete the files from your Terabox, you just have to choose the files that you wanna erase it or if you wanna delete it. Here I'm gonna open my photos file. I'm gonna tap on this photos and now I'm gonna choose the photos that I wanna delete it. For example, I'm gonna delete these two photos and now tap on this delete button at the bottom. And after, simply the photos will gone in this picture guys, which is the photos will not serve again on my Terabox account. So yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below. And I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.